Ever need an extra set of hands on your home project? Transform the way you work with the Molding Genie. This unique tool holds everything in place, so you don't have to rush the job, giving you better results in a fraction of the time. Whether you're a home project warrior or a skilled professional, the Molding Genie is simple to use and a must-have in any toolbox. Moldings, cabinets, doors, windows, you name it. The Molding Genie has you covered. It can even hold your laser level, assuring precision and accuracy while on the job. Its easy-to-use design allows you to make micro adjustments so the project is done right the first time. Say goodbye to patching holes and starting over. Just set it, lay out your project, and take a step back whenever you need to check your work. The Molding Genie is easy to remove and can be used again and again. Best of all, it doesn't leave behind any damage to your wall or project surface. Customers are loving it, and we know you will too. Get yours today at themoldinggenie.com and transform the way you work.